Okay, so I'm going to real quick walk you through some of the basics of our RS600 paint booth model door today. So just to kind of give you some facts right off the bat about the door. It's a fully UL certified door, certified for use in Class 1 Div 2 applications like a wet paint type environment. It carries a UL 325 listing, which is really just specific to roll-up doors. It goes over the safety required for products like this, and also a UL 121-201, which is specific to hazardous locations. So again, this thing is fully certified to be used in those environments. You can see some of the basics of the door is the white material that you see. We refer to that as anti-static fabric. It's what is standard for us in any of these door models that we make. The gray thread that you see sewn throughout it is a carbon fiber thread that adds strength to the door, but it also allows us to ground it, right? It allows us to pass the static dissipation requirements that exist in this market. But to kind of talk a little bit further about the door, obviously you can't see it here, but it's 3 layers of material. So when our door is in the closed position, we create a complete airtight seal to both the front and the back of this track. It actually seals with an industrial grade hook and loop. So it gives us a phenomenal seal. Again, we're able to pass gas tight, airtight certification with this product. And it being specifically for a paint booth and other hazardous locations, this model is rated up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll kind of talk a little bit about the controller. You can see it mounted here. This is obviously the controller that'll ship with all of these units. It's really the brain box of the door, for lack of a better term. Inside of this box is all of our intrinsic barriers, everything that makes this thing unique in that Class 1 Div 2 world. This is the only place that you will bring power to the door during install. Power will come here. You've actually got a lockout, tag out switch on the side of it for troubleshooting down the road. And then from the bottom of this box, you'll actually have a pre-wired cord set to a open and close push button station, and then an additional open and close station for inside of the booth. So again, that all comes factory set from us, completely pre-assembled. It's just CPC connections, and they're actually all unique, so it's impossible to plug them to the wrong place. So just to kind of show it in operation, if I hit the open switch, it's as simple as that. Up the door comes, right? The close button will close it. In addition, a lot of times in a paint booth, we are connected in some way to a PLC for the booth. So any of that open close feature can be set through that PLC. We also have dry contacts located within this box where you can then wire in to receive door signal location from the unit back to your PLC if that's part of your control process on the booth. We do a lot of continuous systems where it's door after door after door that's used a good bit on. So real quick, probably the last things to hit real quick on the safety. You'll see photo beams at the bottom of the door. That's just like you're used to with like a garage door at home. So if you break that beam, the door will auto reverse. In addition to that, we have what's called lead edge technology. So somehow, if the beam is made and the door thinks that it's got the ability to close and it comes into contact with something on the way down, it will also auto reverse itself. So that's really just the basics of the door. Again, fully UL listed. We're really proud of this product. If you have any other questions, please reach out.